bustle and the calls of the joyless street. Makola, Kale, Odoko. This morning, she cried with her husband. Why wouldn't you understand that her work is very serious and involving? Why must it be on his terms, at his convenience? Move out of the way, move out, I say. Shout the cat pusher. None cares about his agitation. The sweat burns down his face, turning the next appointment and fear. His name now life effortlessly into his dirty t-shirt. The young girl with the thin arms balances a bowl of sachet water on her head. The runny nose baby at her back is supported with a big 8-year-old boy. The baby whimpers. She tries to soothe him by patting his leg. He refuses to be soothed and gives out a loud yell, putting to the breast, prancing to Roma.